away. Gotta set this up just right. Alright, give me that. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I've got my little cousin here today. What's your name?
Clay.
And we're going to be reviewing Martian poop. I thought this was fitting because, Clay, how old are you?
10.
And guess what? He's wearing a NASA shirt. So, what's even better
I
than
like
that?
space.
Yeah, you do, Clay. Okay. So this is by...
It doesn't say.
It doesn't even say... It's by Rocket Fizz.
Nice name.
Yeah. Okay. There we go. It doesn't do a stop.
It's a Rocket Fizz.
Hey. Okay. So this is supposed to be... Isn't this cool?
Yeah.
It's supposed to be Martian berry flavored
I like
soda.
berry flavor.
I don't know what Martian berry is, but we're gonna find out.
Isn't this like, who made it?
Rocket Fizz.
Oh, well, like,
Here,
where did
try
you
it.
get it from?
I got it from Jungle Gyms. Because I get all of my sodas from Jungle Gyms. What do you think of it? It's super sweet.
It's amazing. It's
super sweet. Come here.
It's like Orange Crush.
The cringe.
We have a third person on the
It's a
show
third
today.
It's a third party
Okay.
guest.
This is my brother. He's also going to try this soda.
I'm kind of scared.
It's like Orange Crush and it's really, really sweet.
You think it tastes like orange soda?
A little bit.
It's not bad, but it's not good.
That's how I feel. Yeah?
Alright. Alright, he likes it.
Wait, no, give it. Clay, wait, I need to sip it again. Dude, you're getting it all over yourself.
Excuse me.
And this is what you get for inviting a 10-year-old onto your super successful soda trying show. It's like, I wouldn't call it berry. I'd call it like, I'd say it's more cherry-esque. Wait, let me try this again. Really, Clay? Clay!
Did he just spit it everywhere?
Clay! Clay, why did you
What did
do
he
that?
just do?
You just spat it out everywhere.
Whoopsies.
Why did you do that?
Alright.
Too much.
It's just like all over the soda, all over the floor. It's on his feet. Alright, Martian poop tastes like cherry by Rocket Fizz. Thank you for watching.